Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Thursday night, December the 2nd, and these are the charts of the day. Market keeps rolling forward. Still a lot of bullish charts out there, and let's take a look at some of them. Approach Resources, which has been on our list for a few weeks, continues to move. We had a big pop in November, a nice little two-week coil, and today popped 205, or nearly 11%, on the best volume in a couple of weeks. I'd like to see some more volume, but I think the stock gets to 24 and then 29. Those are our trading targets for AREX going forward. Gold stock Alexo Resource Corp AXU looking pretty darn good. Has moved up from the $3 to the $8 range in the last 90 days, but today spiked another 46 cents or 6% on decent volume, with these unbalanced volume really moving up. The stock's being bought here. Apparently the parallel channel at this point looks like something like that, and I believe a move up towards the 9.5 to 10 range short term may be warranted. Cost Plus had a significant day today in that after this key breakout on heavy volume for the last couple of days, for these 2 days in November, the stock went into about a 6-7 day flag. Today it popped out of the flag, jumping 6% or 47 cents on increasing volume. I'd like to see some carry forward here. My short-term trading target right now on CPWM appears to be around 11. FNSR had an excellent day today. We traded that one. It gapped up and ran most of the day. Backed off a little bit in the close, but still up 329 or 16.6%. 9.2 million shares traded, the heaviest volume in about 5 weeks. Looks like the breakout of the apex of this wedge can send this one higher. The long-term channel shows the potentiality for this stock to move up towards the mid to high 40s, 30s, potentially. But we'll set a short-term trading target around the 28.9 zone. Flowtech, FTK, after a brief pullback in the last few days prior, held the price support and moving averages, turned around, and today popped 53 cents or 14% on 2.3 million. With unbalanced volume hitting a new high for the year, certainly looks like the stock wants to move higher, and a test of the 5.575 level may be forthcoming short term. IDT Corp, one of our favorites of late, broke out of this nice 90-day base, flagged, and today, well, yesterday broke out of the flag, and today followed through nicely with another 95-cent gain. And with volume increasing for the last 5 days in a row, it looks like this stock could accelerate. Trading target up around 27 and then 30 for IDT. Krispy Kreme had a significant price volume surge and breakout today after announcing earnings. The stock exploded for $1.28 or 21% nearly. 5.5 million shares traded. Heaviest volume in a long time on KKD, going back to 07. That's 3.5 years. But you can see that the grand, big head and shoulders type bottom pattern was broken out today. And realistically, I'm looking for an intermediate target around 12.5, 13 at this line up in this zone here. So keep your eyes on Krispy Kreme. KONE, Kingtone Wireless, as you can see, broke out 4 or 5 days ago, backed off for a couple of days, volume got quiet, and today popped again up 48 cents, 11.5%. Volume the heaviest in 3 sessions, and if we can get some carry forward, we could see the stock at 5.5 and then 6.5 in the short term. KUTV, significant price volume surge, jumping 33.5% or $2.01 today, breaking out across key resistance. And with that kind of volume, I expect to see higher levels. Let's call it $10 on the trading target for KUTV. L&L Energy moving of late with nice volume and strong technical surge. Broke out 2 days ago, backed off a little yesterday, and then today came on again and is testing the August high. If you look at the chart, you'll see going back 6-7 months, that is the highest level it reached. And if we can get it to pop through this zone, we may see a quick move up towards the near 15 range. That's a short-term trading target. Local.com. Late in the day today, we put out a buy. The stock exploded from about the 470.80 range up to 506, and it's trading at 530.35 in the aftermarket, which is a breakout across this key line. My short-term trading target at this point is going to be 6 3/4, 7.25 zone. And Mir Telemanagement, MTSL, which has been very spiky because it's a fairly volatile, thin stock. You can see the significance of the resistance up in the zone around the 330 area, reaching as high as 310 today. This double top in October, also in that same zone, is going to be significant. If it can get through that level, we can see this stock up near the 4 3/4 5 zone. That's our next trading target on MTSL. Another coal stock besides LLEN is PUDA, PUDA, acting even better in a beautiful rising channel. The early November spike followed by a successful retest and then a coil or wedge. The wedge was broken a couple days ago. We followed through nicely. Expect to see a run at the 19, perhaps even 20 range on PUDA going forward in the near term. Redif had a nice follow-through day today. Yesterday I pointed out the significance of this breakout. Today, heavier volume. The stock jumping another 77 cents or nearly 20%. There's significant overhead resistance up around the 505 level. If he gets through that, I'm looking for a retest of the highs up around 6605 with secondary targets at 7. RIT, acting very well of late. Strong price volume surge in October, followed by the 4-week coil or flag type pattern, during which technicals held up very well, resulted in the breakout 3 days ago. We followed through nearly every day. Another $1.06 today, or 9%. Stock looks like it may be headed for the high teens. We'll keep you posted, but setting a trading target at 15 and 17.5 on RIT. And lastly, today is TransGlobe Energy. One of my favorite junior oils right now is its technical pattern is outstanding. Stock's gone from 8 to 18 in the last 70, 80 days, and this significant breakout and mini flag here resulted in the 2-day move on strong volume. Right now, it looks like this is headed for 20. We'll set that as a short-term target. And that's it for this evening. Have a good one. We'll talk to you on Monday.